kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I'll be making a gluten-free, dairy-free soda bread. Now in this bowl I have all the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of almond flour, and this is the brand of almond flour that I'm using. I have 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. This is the psyllium husk. I have a half teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 packet of stevia, and those are the dry ingredients. So now I'm going to mix them all together. And for the wet ingredients, I have 1 tablespoon of melted smart balanced butter. Here's the smart balanced butter. And I have 1 cup of buttermilk, and I've used almond milk. And to get the buttermilk, I add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to the almond milk, and I set it aside for about 15 minutes. This is the let me show you the vinegar that I've used, 1 tablespoon, and this is what the buttermilk looks like. The almond milk and the tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now I'm going to combine all of this together. I have all my greased dish, so I'll turn this out onto the greased dish. It's very simple and easy. Just shape it into a round ball. Now I'm going to get a knife and just give it a slit at the top. And I'll be putting this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes or until golden brown. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like after it has baked.